Hi there, John Bowe here. I've just been joined by my little dog, Pace, who's very camera shy really, so it's unusual for him to get up here, especially during video time for Gray's Classic Cars. Last car I've got is an HQ LS Monaro, a show car. It's a street machine and it was created from a factory LS V8 Monaro. Whoops, he's gone. The engine is a 350 Chevy with a bug catcher intake. It's got this special paintwork which changes colour in the light. It's got custom fluted guards, American racing style wheels, custom racing seats, a B&M shifter. It's built for show and go, so it'd be fantastic to take it to the Summer Nats next year, which I've just been notified is on next year in January. So a real show and go car. Have a look at it on Gray's Classic Cars, which is online right this minute.